Welcome back. Were several Indian tribal girls used as guinea pigs? That is what a 72-page parliamentary panel scathing report actually alleges. The report alleges that two American pharma giants' untested vaccine was administered to thousands of tribal girls in Andhra Pradesh as well as Gujarat in the garb of, in fact, demonstration project. The report questions Indian medical research body for allowing the trial without proper study and paperwork.
Unfortunately, in this country, they are taking trial on human rights, which are some are illegal. It should be properly taken a permission from the various departments like Government of India, Health Department, which they have not done it. And it's happening most of the places in India. What we have gathered the information, it should happen. Research is must. I don't say that it should not happen research, but research should be properly permitted, and it should be first trial on animals, then human. Where directly they are doing it because of money and financial matter. It's unfortunate for this country. I think it will be streamline everything in future.
Government should take the views expressed by the standing committee with all seriousness and act upon the recommendations, observations made by the standing committee. In this case, I hope the government takes it seriously and proceeds with some legal judicial action.
What on women aged between 18 and 35?
Yeah, definitely it is a very serious issue. Whoever may be, whether it is American company or Japanese or European, it doesn't matter. It happened in India. Those who died, our children, our citizens, and government has an obligation to look at the issue, and the standing committee has given that report. Government will have to act. That's what we hope.
The medical fraternity has expressed concerns over the parliamentary panel report and has urged the government to take up this entire matter.
Government of India is actually promoting clinical trials in India to have more foreign exchange. It is a wrong approach. Clinical trials should be conducted by the government, by the central government of India. Already the Supreme Court has told that all clinical trials should be monitored by the Central Health Ministry. But it is not being done like that. Moreover, the multinational pharmaceutical companies, they are appointing NGOs to conduct clinical trials in India. Likewise, this US organization NGO PATH, they have conducted clinical trials on our Indian girls and women in Andhra Pradesh and Gujarat regarding this human papilloma virus vaccine. So this approach should not be there in future. If there is any necessary, the government should conduct the clinical trials directly through government hospitals and through Indian Council for Medical Research and other organizations. That will be good for the people. So moreover, at the same time, we should not oppose clinical trials as a whole. Very long time in India, clinical trials are being conducted without any proper rules and regulations, norms, and even a separate legislation. Government, NGOs and multinational corporations, organizations, they are doing a lot of clinical trials without any rules and regulation, without any registration, without any transparency. They are doing like that. And the central government should bring a legislation to regulate clinical trials in India. Then only the affected people will get proper compensation, and we can regulate the clinical trials. Without clinical trials,